Hi, I'm Rick Lott, Mayor of Plant City. On behalf of the City Commission, I wanted to bring you an update with clear information about the next steps as outlined by Governor DeSantis and the Hillsborough County Emergency Policy Group. It's time for us to begin to cautiously and safely move forward by following a phased, methodical, and data-driven reopening approach as outlined in Phase 1 of the Governor's plan. The health and well-being of our citizens remain our highest priority. But the economy of Florida and Plant City has been negatively impacted as a result of the pandemic. We are prepared to take strong, gradual steps in the right direction to safely get businesses open and people back to work. The governor's executive order places an emphasis on facts, not fear, and his approach will move us forward while continuing to measure, adapt, and respond as needed. The Emergency Policy Group voted to align the county's COVID-19 coronavirus recovery with the plan announced by Governor DeSantis. The first phase of the governor's Safe, Smart, step-by-step plan goes into effect at 12:01 a.m. on Monday, May 4th, for our county, along with most of the rest of Florida. The highlights of the executive order that will go into effect on Monday include restaurants may offer outdoor seating with 6 feet between tables and indoor seating at 25% of capacity. Retail can operate at 25% of indoor capacity. Schools will continue to conduct distance learning. Visits to senior living facilities are still prohibited. And to improve the health in our community, elective surgeries can resume. Our EPG members recognize that the governor's order contains provisions that will continue to safeguard the public and remind you that vulnerable individuals should avoid close contact with people outside their homes. All individuals, when in public, should maximize physical distance from others. Continue to avoid socializing in groups of more than 10 in circumstances that do not allow for physical distancing. Hillsborough County residents are reminded that the governor's current Safer at Home order remains in effect through this weekend as this new order takes effect on Monday. Our county will work hard to help break the chain of transmission of the virus. The plan includes tracking the contacts of confirmed cases, implementing faster test processing, isolating any outbreaks, and working more closely with nursing homes and assisted living facilities. We have and will continue to learn from this experience so we're better prepared for future viruses. The EPG also extended a state of local emergency enacted in response to the pandemic. By Florida statute, a state of local emergency can only be in effect for 7 days, unless rescinded or extended. The declaration gives us the ability to quickly take certain actions to ensure the health, safety, and welfare of our community, and to provide a path for federal reimbursement for certain expenses. Plant City, we have started to turn the corner because of your hard work to help stop the spread of COVID-19. I am optimistic that we will be able to keep the virus at bay by continuing to follow the guidelines. I know that our community's economy will recover stronger than ever. I'm confident. My fellow commissioners and I are resolved to ensure that our community will be stronger than ever and will be back to the Plant City way of life. And we will work with City Manager Bill McDaniel and his tremendous staff to ensure that we do everything we can to support the residents and businesses of Plant City. Remember, together, we are Plant City strong.